How to send money to bank from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually send money to bank on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have some cash balance on your Cash App account and that you want to send and transfer the money over to your bank account, well, it's actually relatively simple to do that. But for that, you must already make sure that you've linked a bank account. So to do that, first of all, launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch the Cash App, just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Go to the option called linked banks. Make sure to actually link your debit card or simply link your bank. Tap on the link debit card option and then make sure to enter your debit card, which is required to send money instantly. Then tap on the next option and then you should be able to successfully add your bank. Now once you've added a bank, you just want to come back over here to your home screen and then just go to the home tab, which looks like this from the bottom left, and then you'll find the option called cash out. If you have some cash balance, you'll find the option called cash out. So basically when you tap on the cash out button, it will take you to a page where you can simply withdraw the money over to your bank account or whichever payment method that you've added. And that's all it takes to go ahead and simply cash out on Cash App or withdraw money to your bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.